Evaluate the integral of x times x squared plus 1 raised to 7 dx. So to evaluate this integral, we need to use the integration by substitution, where we can let u be equal to x squared plus 1, and then perform differentiation. Du equals 2x. So the derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of 1 is 0. And then we have to divide both sides by 2. Why? Because the integral here contains x dx. So 1 half du equals x dx. So we can rewrite this as integral of x squared plus 1 to the power of 7x dx. And then we have integral of, since we let u, this one, x squared plus 1 is equal to u. So this is u to the power of 7, and x dx. What is x dx? X dx is 1 half du, so multiplied by 1 half du. And then eventually, you can put 1 half here before the integral symbol, use raised to 7, and then du. Then use the power rule. So 1 half here, and then u raised to 8. So add by 1, and then the denominator becomes 8, right? Because the integral of u raised to n is equal to u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1, right? Okay, so we all know that. So then, plus, don't forget to write c here. And then we have 1 half times this one, 2 times 8. So we have 1 over 16, u raised to 8 plus c. And what is u? So u is x squared. X squared plus 1 to the power of 8 plus c. Okay. Thank you so much. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.